All right, class, here's the final step. We have created our portfolio page or our project page. We've uploaded our video, and now there's two different ways that you can get your video on your website. The first is, again, to make sure you're logged into your Google account, and you come over to the Google Waffle, click on that, scroll down until you see YouTube. And then if you're logged into your Gmail account, you should still see your Gmail information pop up here. You're going to come over here to the side menu and click on My Channel. And then up at the top you see Video Manager. Click on Video Manager. And here's a list of all of your videos. And you can get the link. So let's say this is the one we want to share. We can get the link either by clicking on this little link button here, which shows us the privacy setting. Or to get to that same page, click on this down arrow and then Info and Settings. Now what we're looking for is this URL right here. So we're going to highlight that, copy, and copy it. Then come back to our portfolio page where we're on our project page here that we created under Portfolio. It's right here. And we're going to click on the Insert button here and drop down to where it says YouTube. Now we can search for the video just by putting our link in there, hit Control V and hit the search button, and up pops our video. Or if you've created the web page, your Google site, under the same email that you use on your YouTube, you can just click here on Uploaded, and here's a list of all your videos. So we're going to click on Conflictos and select and drop that in here. And I want to make that a little bigger. You know, it could take up the whole screen because this is the only thing really going on the page. And then I'm going to add a little text box up above. And we'll add a title like Conflictos de Relaciones. Let's make that a title. And then our next one will be Mi proyecto de cómo resolver diferencias. So, you know, any kind of description in your title. Let's actually make that a header, a little bit smaller. And there we go. And then you have updated your project page. Just click Publish. And now your live site should show all of your new and updated pages. All right, I hope that's helpful. Good luck, and I look forward to seeing your work.